Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a car that's more than just a vehicle, it's a true legend reborn. Meet the 2025 Chevy Chevelle 396. This car doesn't just have a name that echoes through muscle car history, it's got the power, the style, and the tech to take on any modern contender while staying true to its roots. The Chevelle is a name that brings back memories of the late 60s and early 70s. A time when muscle cars ruled the streets, and the Chevelle SS 396 was one of the kings. Chevy's brought this classic back to life with a modern twist, and today we're going to take a close look at how they've managed to blend classic muscle with cutting-edge performance and technology. Let's start with the exterior design. Chevy has done an incredible job of blending retro styling with modern details. The 2025 Chevelle has that same long, aggressive stance and muscular proportions that defined the original. The wide, low profile and sculpted lines give it a dominating presence on the road. Check out the hood scoop, inspired by the classic Chevelle SS 396. It's not just for show, it helps with cooling and adds a nostalgic touch. The LED headlights are razor-sharp and aggressive, giving the car a bold, modern look. And in the rear, the taillights are sleek, with a design that nods to the Chevelle's heritage. Now let's talk about what's under the hood, because that's what makes this car a true Chevelle. Chevy's packed this thing with a 6.2-liter V8, and yes, it's a 396. That number isn't just a tribute, it's the real deal. This beast pumps out a jaw-dropping 485 horsepower and 475 lb-ft of torque, giving it the power and sound you expect from a muscle car. This V8 is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that delivers smooth shifts and lets you unleash all that power. And if you're craving more control, Chevy has included paddle shifters, so you can take command when you want to really feel that classic raw muscle. Moving inside, the 2025 Chevelle strikes a great balance between old-school cool and modern tech. The seats are wrapped in premium leather with retro stitching that just screams muscle car, and the overall cabin design has that minimalistic, driver-focused vibe. But don't be fooled, it's fully loaded with technology. You've got a large digital gauge cluster, a 12-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even a premium audio system that can compete with the roar of the engine. Chevy didn't skimp on driver assistance either. You'll find adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and other safety features. Out on the road, the 2025 Chevelle is pure fun. The steering is tight, and the suspension strikes a great balance between comfort and performance. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tearing up a back road, this car is a joy to drive. It's like Chevy took the soul of a classic muscle car and made it even better for the modern driver. So, is the 2025 Chevy Chevelle 396 everything we hoped for? Absolutely. It's got the power, the style, and the presence of a classic muscle car, but with all the modern comforts and safety features we've come to expect. This car isn't just a nod to the past, it's a reinvention that Chevy has absolutely nailed. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Be sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this look at the 2025 Chevelle, and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest and greatest cars. Until next time, keep the pedal to the metal.